Hey Force of Will fans, I'm Josh from PokeBros, and I'm back with 6 booster packs of Curse of the Frozen Casket. This set released on like September 9th, and so it was earlier this month, at least when I made this video. If you're watching it later, then I guess it wouldn't be, but whatever. And couple things about the set. This is the first Lapis cluster set. Yep, right there. And so, there were like the Grim cluster sets and the Alice cluster sets. Both of those other clusters had 4. So, there were like 8 other sets before this one. And there have been a couple variations of how the cards look. Like, in the Grim sets, they looked like this. And like the setup didn't really change for the Alice cluster sets. It looks pretty much the same, except you can see there's a couple differences. Like, instead of saying continuous, a lot of stuff will, I don't think they have that symbol anymore. And then, like, the little symbol in the corner is a little more obvious in the Alice cluster sets. But then in the 4th Alice cluster set, they changed it again a little bit. Nothing especially different about the setup of the card, but it's like a completely different font. So yeah. Whereas the Lapis cluster sets, or this set, I guess, has a completely new setup for the cards, which you'll see once I open up the first pack. Along with the setup of the pack is slightly different. Like, in the previous sets, they'd have I think 5 commons, 2 uncommons, a rare, no, it was, yeah, 5 commons, 2 uncommons, a rare, a, like, magic stone, and a hollow card. And in this set, the packs are set up pretty much the same, except it'll put a hollow card right in front. Alright, so this is Charlotte's Protector. Oh, and as you can see, like, the attack and defense are on the side now. The text box looks very different. And also, you can see the will. The circle is set up pretty much the same, except there's a spot in the middle for the number instead of a spot on the side. Alright. Spirit of Fire. Creatures from Chaos. Guide to the Ancient Ice Wall. Cloning Magic. The Black Treasure Box. Neverland, the Parallel World. Alright, this is the rare. It's Dreaming Girl Wendy. Got a Water Magic Stone. And then a super rare. This is Demon of the Crest Namblot? I don't know. If you've been watching my other videos, I have a lot of trouble pronouncing some of the names, but whatever. Alright, the next one has Protector of the Forest, Storytelling Bard, Tiny Reconnaissance Dragon, Resonance of Madness, Mermaid of Neverland, Rabbit of the Aqua Moon, Fairy Tale Library, Alexandria. Alright, here's the rare. It's Invitation of Disaster. Ooh, that looks really cool. This is a Light Magic Stone. And super rare, Glorious the Silver Knight. Alright. Alright, and for the next one, an encounter with, Cthulhu? Yeah. Resonance of Madness. Mermaid of Neverland. Favorable Winds. Escape from Crisis. The Ox King. Sha Wujing. Here's the rare, it's Ancient Automaton. A Darkness Magic Stone. That looks really cool too. And then a rare, Heavenly Gust. Alright, and the next one, Dragon Knight of Altea. Guide to the Ancient Ice Wall. Cloning Magic. Storytelling Bard. Tiny Reconnaissance Drake. I think last time I called it a dragon, because it is, but like the name is actually Drake. Pandora's Mark of Hope. Shackles of Ice. The rare is Princess of the Dragon Palace. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. Alright, a Wind Magic Stone. And then Rising from the Depths. It is a rare. Alright. Spirit of Fire. Stargazing Fortune Teller. Magic Stone Analysis. Glorious's Summoned Soldier. Introspective Jutsu. Zero's Familiar. Charlotte's Water Transformation Magic. The rare is another Princess of the Dragon Palace, whatever her name is. Another Darkness Magic Stone. And, Lumia, Saint of World Awakening. This is a really, really strong card. It also is a shift card. So yeah, double-sided. Pretty cool. But as you can see, it takes a total of 10 to, like, play it. And that's a lot. But this is a good card. It's a super rare, also. Alright, so this is the last pack. It's got Safeguard of the Light Palace. Favorable Winds. Escape from Crisis. Combat Wizard of Altea. The Nameless Mist. Secluded Elven Village. Amonsville? Amonsul? I don't know. The Gate of the Silver Key. The rare is Kriya, Musician of Wind. A Wind Magic Stone. And then, nice, another super rare. It's Red Riding Hood. Alright. So I did get a bunch of rares. I mean, there's a rare in every pack, but then there's like a super rare or a rare in the holo at the end of the pack, which is pretty cool. So I got 8 rares total. only got a double of 1. And let's see all the magic stones. Couple doubles of magic stones. I didn't get a fire magic stone, but I got the rest of them. Well, the basic magic stones. I think there's a bunch of special magic stones in this one too. Alright, and here's all the, like, common hollows at the beginning. Like the beginning of packs. That's what I meant. And then, of course, the super rares. In those 6 packs, I pulled 4, so that was pretty nice. And this one can shift. So altogether, pretty nice stuff. And I guess I'll see you guys again when I have Force of Will packs.